Bro, we've been locked in since kids. Ain't nobody breaking what we built. That's family. On everything.
Sorry, bro. Opportunity don't wait.
You sure?
He'll figure it out.
You signed without me?
I had to think about me.
Nah. You chose money over loyalty. Come on, man, listen. You ain't lose a business partner. You lost your brother.
Money can buy comfort, but betrayal costs what money can't replace. I messed up. I messed up.
Okay, guys, now we start by creating a prompt for our script. You need a script for you to get a proper outline of your video. So now we say create a prompt for a short movie about a betrayal of a friend. Okay, you need to be specific on how you want it to be set up. So you need to say something like give it a Black American vibe, like accent, because I want the accent to be a certain way. And the video is around 10 seconds. So you need to be specific about how long is the video so that it generates exactly what you want. So we're going to include a dialogue script. This is how you make sure that your videos have characters that are speaking to each other. Okay, give me 5 scenes. Okay, this is how you do it. So it's going to generate. While it's generating, let me type give me a picture for the first scene. Okay, so for me, I prefer to use ChatGPT for my picture reference. We're going to need picture references, guys. You're going to upload your picture reference for you to get character consistency. This is how you maintain your character consistency. So while it's generating my first scene, I'm going to ask it for me to give me a picture for the second scene. Okay, so I'm not going to click submit yet. I just wanted to load first. Then after it's done loading, then I'm going to click for the second picture for my picture reference. So we're going to add another one for the third one. Let me say third picture for scene 3. Then you need to, once you generate more than one image, you need to add this part. You need to say keep character consistency. You need to be specific so that your hair doesn't change, your skin color of your characters do not change. This is how you make sure that you have a character that is consistent across all your scenes. Okay, this is very important. So now we're going to go up, and for the first scene we're going to select our first scene prompt, including the dialogue. Okay, or you can say, you can do this. Most of the time, this is what I do. I copy the visual prompt first for the video, then I copy the dialogue script. I'm going to tell you why I do this in the next coming moments. So now we're going to copy another scene 2, then we copy for the dialogue 2. We're not going to come back here again, guys. This is why I'm doing this. You need to be able to copy what you're going to use upfront so that you don't come back here. So that when you go to the AI tool that we're going to use, you just flow. You don't go back where you started. You just do things to finish. We need to save time. Okay, you don't need your expensive gadgets in order for you to do this. You just need your phone. This is the basic thing you can do with your phone. If you have a laptop, that's good for you. You much better. You have a bigger screen. You have more options to see what you can use on the site level. So this is what I do in ChatGPT. Then after here, we go into our AI tool. Google Flow. When you get to Google Flow, you're just going to click new project. Then you're going to get this interface. Then from here is where those pictures that you uploaded from your ChatGPT, this is where they're going to work for character consistency. So now we paste what we copied from ChatGPT for our script. Okay, for scene 1. Here is our script from scene 1. So this is scene 1, the visual one, the visual prompt. Then now I'm going to add the dialogue script. Okay, the dialogue script under. So I started with the visual prompt first. You see two black men in their late 20s stand outside a neighborhood. So I need to be specific with AI. This is how you get the results that you want. You need to be specific with what you want. Okay, so moving on, this is where you get your interface, where you get to select how many seconds you need. So currently we go up to 10 seconds per video. 10 seconds, it's much better, because before we were doing 6 seconds, then we moved to 8 seconds. Now it's 10 seconds. Hopefully we're going to get a minute or even 30 minutes. Okay, hopefully. So now you can select whether you want to create a video that it comes out in multiples of 4, 3, or 2. So you're going to be charged for that, because you're going to use all your credits for the day. So you get free credits each and every day. You get free credits. Okay, you select the model that you want to use, which is OmniFlash that we're going to use for this video. You've got VO3 Lite, you've got VO3 Fast, you've got VO3 Quality. So we stick into VO3 OmniFlash. Okay, so now we're going to select our image for image reference for scene 1. Remember, we did our prompt for our picture for scene 1. So you're going to select the picture that you want to use for scene 1. Then you click upload. Then when it's uploading, and you click on the picture after it's done uploading, then from here, this is what you select, and make sure that everything is in order. It's what you want, it's what you needed to generate for the day. Then you do this for scene 2, scene 3, and so on and so on. If you want to make longer videos, comment below and I will show you how to make longer videos using step-by-step tutorials to help you grow your social media using AI. So you can create videos like this to grow on your YouTube or to grow on your social media that you want to monetize.